Welcome to a new YouTube video with your boy Happy Chef TV. Let's go, guys and girls. We are super excited. My wife is packing all the gear over there in the house and I'm packing here the technical stuff. The old backpack is not going with us, but we got the new backpack with us. Adventures coming up. We're gonna discover Spain. We got people in the house to take care of the house, so that's amazing. They can take care of the cat, take care of the plants, and have a good time at the pool, fam. But we are going out together with the family, once in a lifetime. Maybe we're gonna do it more in the future, but we wanted to do this for a long time already, especially my wife. Since she is supporting my stream for such a long time already, 10 years, I thought let's make her dreams coming true too. It's my dream too, of course, but we're gonna travel and discover. We got that new insane backpack, whoop whoop, with that live view solo 4 dongles, unlimited IRL Europe. Let's check it out. You can click it off your shoulder like that, and you can straight away click it on the selfie stick. Boom! That's a little bit different, but very good. We got our power supplies with us. We got our solar panels with us, fishing gear. So I hope we can catch the fish of a lifetime. And then we're just gonna rock and roll it, guys and girls. I'm super excited. So thank you for watching this video. I know it's a little bit of a short one. I didn't have that much time to make a video this week since we have no offline days. We've been streaming a few days in a row. So let's rock and roll it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for loving what we do, and let's get this adventure started. And stay tuned, follow us everywhere, and see what we're doing. Let's freaking get that.
Foodie Fam for life, baby.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I love you guys. Peace.